जय श्रीमन्नारायण 650th नामम from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 69th sloka. Om Suraya Namaha. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Parasara Bhattaru Swami, who gave us the meanings of Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam, which we are all learning every day. Sri Parasara Bhattaryaha, Sri Rangesa Purohitaha, Sri Vatsankasuta Sriman, Shreyase me astu bhuyase. Om Suraya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, you have great amount of valor. When you came down as Sri Rama, you are the one who has gone to Chitrakutam and lived there on Chitrakutam. With all of your valor, you scared all the demons over there. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Suraya Namaha. Om Suraya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Kishkindha Kanda, Sri Ramachandra Swami saying to Sugriva, O Sugriva, now it is time to do all battle preparations. That is why Sugriva, call on all your ministers and arrange meetings with your ministers. Like that when Rama said, Sugriva saying to Rama like this, O Rama, with your anugraham, with Lakshmana's anugraham, today I am very peaceful and I am enjoying all my fame and wealth and luxuries. This is all being done only by both of you. O Rama, don't think that I am ungrateful. I already sent message to all the Vanaras on this earth. They are all coming down. Deva Gandharva Putrascha, Vanaraha Kamarupinaha. Rama, there are so many Vanaras who are born with Devamsa, who are born with Gandharvamsa. All of them are coming along with their Sainyam, along with their army. They are all on their way. O Rama, some of the Vanaras have 1 lakh army. Some Vanaras, they have 1 crore army. And some Vanaras, they have thousands of army. All of them are coming. And some Vanaras have the army, Arbuda army. Arbuda means 10 crores. And some Vanaras have army, Karva. Karva means 100 crores. Raja Ramachandra, there are some huge Vanaras. They look like Mandara Parvatam and Meru Parvatam, such a huge bodies. They are all coming to help us. They will be easily kill Ravana, not only Ravana, all of his Parivaram, and then bring Sita back safely and give her to you. Such great Vanaras coming down here, Rama. When Sugriva said like this, Ramachandra Swami felt very happy to see all happiness and all kind of preparations that Sugriva is doing. And then Rama, with his happiness, he is looking more beautiful. Such great, beautiful, handsome Rama now again took Sugriva close to him and gave him big hug. Now saying to Sugriva like this, "Oh Sugriva, no surprise to see Indra giving rains. No surprise to see Surya giving light. No surprise to see moon giving brightness. So also Sugriva, you also helping your friends is not a big surprise, because this is a very natural quality in you. Gratefulness, gratitude and helping back is a very natural quality in you. And also Sugriva, if you are there with me, I am sure, I am confident that I can kill all the demons." Oh Sugriva, you have such a great tender heart, kind heart, and you are my friend. Can you be my friend like this and continue helping me, please? Like this, when Rama is saying to Sugriva, by then the entire earth getting shaken, so much of dust is coming out from the earth and it is covering all the sky. And there is so much of sound coming from all the corners. All that because so many Vanaras arriving that place, reaching that place. By then, one Vanara came to Sugriva, his name is Setavali. He came along with his 10,000 crores of Vanaras and told Sugriva that I am present here to help you. Then Tara's father Sushena came with 10,000 crores of Sainyam army and told Sugriva that I am ready to help you. Then Ruma's father Tara, he came with thousands of crores of army and told Sugriva that I am here to help you. Then Hanuma's father Kesari, he came with several number of army. In every army there is 21,870 soldiers. Like that, there are so many groups of army. Kesari came along with that army and told Sugriva that I am here to present you. Then Gavaksha came with 1,000 crores. Dhumraksha came with 2,000 crores of Sainyam army. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 69th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Kalanemiha Saurihi Suraha Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesaha Kesavaha Kesiha Harihi. Kalanemiha Sauris Suras Surajaneswaraha Trilokatma Trilokesah Kesavah Kesiha Harihi. Om Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Om Suraya Namaha. Om Suraya Namaha. ఓం సూరాయ నమః.